Good day, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD, and today's Monday, August 8, 2022. It is 1:46 and 22 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, vitamin D. So let's hop to it here. Down on vitamin D, it could be the cause of chronic inflammation. Date August 7, 2022. Source, University of South Australia. Genetic research shows a direct link between low levels of vitamin D and high levels of inflammation. By providing an important biomarker to identify people at higher risk of more severity of chronic illnesses with an inflammatory component, the study examined the genetic data of 294,970 participants in the UK Biobank using Mendelian randomization to show the association between vitamin D and C-reactive protein levels, an indicator of inflammation. The findings suggest that boosting vitamin D in people with a deficiency may reduce chronic inflammation. Inflammation is your body's way of protecting your tissues if you've been injured or have an infection. High levels of C-reactive protein are generated by the liver response to inflammation. So when your body is experiencing chronic inflammation, it also shows higher levels of C-reactive protein. And this study examined vitamin D and C-reactive proteins and found a one-way relationship between the levels of vitamin D and high levels of C-reactive protein expressed as inflammation. By boosting vitamin D in people with deficiencies may reduce chronic inflammation, helping them avoid a number of related diseases. The study also raises a possibility that having adequate vitamin D concentrations may mitigate complications arising from obesity and reduce the risk of severity of chronic illnesses with an inflammatory component, such as CVDs, diabetes, and autoimmune diseases. And these results are important to provide an explanation for some of the controversies and reported associations with vitamin D. And we have repeatedly seen evidence for health benefits for increasing vitamin D concentrations in individuals with very low levels, while for others there appears to be little to no benefit. And these findings highlight the importance of avoiding clinical vitamin D deficiency and provide further evidence for wide-ranging effects of hormonal vitamin D. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. And this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.